Encyclopedias. What are encyclopedias? Encyclopedia is a systematic compilation of information or knowledge of various topics. What is a compilation? Compilation means collection. So basically in encyclopedia we can get a detailed information on any topic. So based on our research or our study, we will pick up the encyclopedia and we will get the complete information from the encyclopedia. That is called as a systematic in a proper manner. It is a systematic collection, compilation of information or knowledge of various topics. The information or knowledge in encyclopedia is arranged with a specified method. So we had seen there are so many encyclopedias are based on the different topic. They gives us information in a specific manner on that particular topic. Organizing available knowledge and making it accessible is the main objective of the encyclopedia. So what is the main objective? What objective means aim. What is the main objective of the encyclopedia is to make the information accessible to the reader or to the person who wants to get well aware of it. So what is the accessible means? Available. So the basic aim of the encyclopedia is to provide the information in a specific manner, in a very clear way, in a detailed. Benefits of encyclopedia. What are the benefits of the encyclopedia? Encyclopedias make vast volume of knowledge accessible to readers. Vast volume means, vast means as we all know, huge, deep. So there are so many different volumes, different parts of any particular topic. Maybe you consider any topic for even for the living thing or the non-living thing also. Even you want to know about the earth, about the different planetary system, anything on different topics, you will get the encyclopedia and you will get a complete information from the encyclopedia. It can help in satisfying their curiosity. So yes, since encyclopedia provide us all the information in a detailed manner, so it also completes the curiosity of the reader. So what is the curiosity means? Excitement. For example, if you want to know much about anything, so if you have searched the encyclopedia of that topic, then your idea, then your knowledge will be completely fulfilled. Encyclopedias provide fundamental information on any topic in order to understand it properly. So in encyclopedia you will get the basic information also, or the origination of that particular topic or that particular animal or that particular concern, even the weapons, metal, ornaments, anything you will get in a proper way. So it gives us the fundamental information. What are the fundamental? The basic information. It's not like that you will get only the important information. Each and every information will be provided by the encyclopedia. Thus, the reader gets motivated to read extensively. That's why readers are very much curious to get aware with the help of encyclopedias. Encyclopedias made the existing knowledge easily available to scholars and researchers, and also highlight the research areas which have not yet enough attention. So those who are the scholars or the researcher, as we all know, they need to get much aware of the topic. So many times they won't get such information from the different sources. So encyclopedia provide that kind of source, so which can help them to make their study or research much better. As we all know, we get each and every information from the Google. That's why we all always called as Google Baba, because it gives us the information. But we all know Google is just like a search engine. Not only Google, there are so many search engines all over the world that provides us the information. But there is a system, their data needs to be fed up, right? So where the person or the people who are engaged in that work, they collect the data from different sources like the newspaper or the encyclopedia or the different you can say the physical sources. So in this way, encyclopedia are the authentic and the genuine sources, right? Encyclopedia are indicators of the state of cultural ripeness of a society. What is the cultural ripeness of the society? What does ripeness means? Ripeness means you can see a change. How a fruit get ripe. For example, if you take the ripeness of the mango, so when the raw mango, it is of the green in color, then the color changes when it get ripe. So you can see the changes that happens. Even for example, if you see our society, if you see our transportation system, so there had been a lot change, right? That is called the ripeness or the change. So with the help of encyclopedia, we can able to know what are the changes or the important points had been brought such kind of evolution even in the mankind or in the our environmental system. Encyclopedias are the indicator of the state of cultural ripeness of a society. The intellectual and cultural needs of a society determine what kind of encyclopedic literature would be created. The intellectual means the intelligence or the information that's shared in the encyclopedia, and the cultural needs of a society. Because these books are written or these books are prepared on a basis that gives some information to the society, that supports the well-being of the society. So in this way we will also aware about our social or the cultural perspective. The intellectual and the cultural needs of a society determine what kinds of encyclopedic literature would be created. So what things that needs to be taken care while preparing an encyclopedia? The first is accuracy. What do you mean accuracy? Accuracy means correctness, right? You can say without any error. So that the information should be authentic. The information should be correct. That's the accuracy. Next is meticulousness. What is meticulousness? Extreme careness. You should take proper care of any topic, because simply imagine, if you are a writer or an author, if you write something on a particular topic, if you write your own view, then the same thing will be spread to the readers. But it's your responsibility that you should write the correct information, so that the readers or the coming generation will get the correct information from that book or from that content, right? That's why we learned about the historiography, the critical examination of the writing. Objectivity. Objectivity means when you are taking any particular subject or the topic, then you should be very much non-biased to that. What do you know biased and non-biased? Basically bias is like partiality. So you do not do any partiality to that topic or to that period or to that any culture. So you being a writer, you being an author, it's your responsibility. You should not be biased. Okay? So that's the main important thing. This is the objectivity. Standardized format of presentation. There should be a certain kind of standardization to represent. There should be proper format, right? Because the readers should also get the interest to get knowledge from the book. आपने खुद देखा होगा अगर किसी भी बुक में सिर्फ रिटन वर्क ही होते हैं, सिर्फ टॉपिक होते हैं, कोई पिक्चर्स या कोई ग्राफ नहीं हो, कोई फ्लो चार्ट नहीं हो, तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट कम हो जाता है. सो द पेपर क्वालिटी एंड द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, दीज थिंग्स ऑल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, एंड देयर शुड बी अ सर्टन काइंड ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट, right? You are seeing the paragraph wise, the phrases, the different what you can say, the type of the format of the letters. So this way there should be a certain kind of format. Updated information are the criteria for designing a structure of an encyclopedia. So that's your criteria. Criteria means condition for designing a structure of an encyclopedia. In order to incorporate the latest available information, revised edition of encyclopedia or supplements to original edition needs to be published. Yes, it is also very much important. For example, if you had done any research in the current period, and on the basis of that you had prepared an encyclopedia where you had covered all the information which you researched, but in coming days if more information available on that topic, so it's the responsibility of the publishers or the author that they should print a revised edition or a revised copy, or if not that possible, that they should print some additional pages, or you can just supplement on those topics. Understood? So in this way the reader should get a complete information because incomplete information is like a wrong information. So it's a responsibility of the publishers or the author to provide the complete information with proper accuracy. Encyclopedias are arranged either in alphabetical order or according to the order of topic. So it depends upon the publisher or the author that encyclopedia made on an alphabetical order or it was made on the topic. The type of order is decided by keeping and convenience of reader in mind and the ease of accessibility of the information. What is accessibility? Availability. So whenever such kind of changes brought in the encyclopedia, it's completely based on the thought that readers should get a proper information on the basis of the content, that there should be a clear indication what kind of information available in a proper way or in a proper flow. That's why it was printed in such a manner that there should be a certain kind of interest arises in the mind of reader. An index at the end in the encyclopedia is very convenient in this regard. So like we have index which gives us the information about the page number on every subject or every textbook. In the beginning we have the index that gives us information about the page number of the different chapters, right? It's so much easy that we can search it. In the same manner, most of the encyclopedias have an index and the last page. That index gives us the information about the reference from which book this topic has been taken. For example, as we all know, there are so many ancient literatures in our country written by great authors or different historians. So if we work on any particular topic, then we also refer that book. So it's our duty, we should refer that name of the book or the work of the different authors or the writers, so that if the person want the information about that book also, then he or she can get informed from that book. So index play a very important role for the references or the information that we collected. The encyclopedia can be created either by a single editor or an editorial committee. Committee means a team. So it depends upon the content. It's totally depend upon the content or the volume of the encyclopedia, whether it was the work of a single person or the team. Because if you want to research on a very vast topic, then you need help from the different people. So for example, if we are given any particular topic which is in a deep or in a detailed manner, so you make a team of 2-3 friends or the colleagues, then you will be called as a team of or the committee members, those who publish that encyclopedia. The encyclopedia can be created either by a single editor or an editorial committee. The articles in the encyclopedia are written by subject experts, and it is very much clear because an expert person only knows the proper information or the proper content, how to represent and what kind of information should be given to the readers. Understood? About the encyclopedias, what are the encyclopedias? For example, if you want to know about the dinosaurs, for example dinosaur, then you will search the Google. Then in Google you will get a complete information about the dinosaurs. But again, to make your study proper systematic, so if you refer any encyclopedia that based on the dinosaur from their origin to the end, so from the encyclopedia, page by page you will get the step by step information about the dinosaur. So it will help you on your research on which you are working. So in this way encyclopedias gives us you the complete information in a proper systematic and in a detailed manner. Types of encyclopedia. There are different categories that encyclopedia are categorized. So we have 4 important types of encyclopedia. They are: encyclopedia can be approximately divided into 4 types. Dictionaries, we all are well aware of the dictionaries. Comprehensive encyclopedia. What is comprehensive? Comprehensive means in a detailed manner. In Hindi it is called a Vishwakosh. encyclopedic literature, that is the Koshadrish. Next is the indexes. So these are the four important types of encyclopedia. So let's begin with the dictionary. We all are aware of the dictionaries. We are using the dictionary from our childhood, right? But basically, the dictionary which we used are based on the search of the different words, or most of the dictionaries we are used from the Oxford. As we all know, Oxford is just only they are the publisher. So what kind of dictionary we had used, that we search the word and we want to know the meaning or the origination of the word, and maybe we get information that this word, maybe the adjective or the noun, even we get to know this word originated from the which culture or the tradition, where is the Latin or where it is American or the German, right? So in this way we are using the basic dictionary. But you had seen there are different types of dictionaries available in the market or in the bookshop or in the library, where you will get information based on the different topics also. So there are also many categories of the dictionaries. Dictionaries arrange the word in a language in certain order. Alphabetical order is more common. Yeah, basically we had seen dictionaries are arranged in the alphabetical order. It also gives us the easy access to the words or to the pages, so that we can easily find it. It gives meaning of words. Yes, the very important role dictionary plays. It gives us the meaning of words. Synonyms. What are synonyms? Synonym is a similar word. कभी कभी होते हैं ना, एक वर्ड के ही बहुत सारे मीनिंग होते हैं जो आपस में सिमिलर होते हैं, जिसे कॉल्ड एज सिनोनिम्स. हम लोगों ने ग्रामर में पढ़ा हुआ है, राइट? एंड एटिमोलॉजी. व्हाट इज द एटिमोलॉजी? एटिमोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ ओरिजिनेशन ऑफ वर्ड. द वर्ड लॉजी, LOGY, लॉजी मीन्स स्टडी. जहाँ भी लॉजी आया समझो स्टडी. जैसे बायोलॉजी आपने सुना है. व्हाट इज द बायोलॉजी मीन्स? स्टडी ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स, राइट? फिर बायोलॉजी में दो डिवाइड हो जाता है, जैसे जूलॉजी और बॉटनी, वो अलग हो गया. जूलॉजी रिलेटेड विद द एनिमल एंड बॉटनी रिलेटेड विद द प्लांट्स. सो बट दिस लॉजी वर्ड्स related with the study. So etymology means study of origination of word. वो word कहाँ से originate हुए. ग्रीक है, लैटिन है, तो हमें मालूम पड़ता है. आपने देखा रहेगा डिक्शनरीज में लिखे हुए होते हैं. There are various types of dictionaries. We have a different kinds of dictionaries also, like comprehensive dictionaries. Again, comprehensive means broad, huge, which provides the complete information. You have also seen the size of dictionary. Sometimes you have a pocket dictionary, then we have a huge dictionary also. So basically, the huge dictionary will provide you the more information. Dictionaries which include only certain types of word. Sometimes the dictionaries are specifically made on a particular topic. For example, if you have seen the dictionary based on science, so that they give you some information about the science topic only, or the topic related to science only. Many times you will get a dictionary based on the maths, so it will give you information about the maths only. So there are different types of this dictionaries available. Even the topics, like for example, if you say the vehicles, so if you bought a dictionary based on the vehicles, that will give information about the vehicles only. Dictionaries of terminology. What does terminology means? Terminology means deals with terms peculiar or a branch of knowledge. Peculiar means a specific branch or knowledge. कोई पर्टिकुलर टर्म होते हैं ना, जैसे कि मैंने भी कहा ना कि अभी आप रिसर्च कर रहे हो किसी रोबोटिक्स के ऊपर, तो आपने एक रोबोटिक्स की डिक्शनरी लेकर आए, तो जहाँ पे आपको रोबोटिक्स से रिलेटेड सारी चीज़ें उस डिक्शनरी में पता चलेंगी. Etymological dictionary, as we all know, there are specific dictionary that are based on etymological, that is the origination of the word, study of origination of word. Thesaurus. What is a thesaurus means? Thesaurus is a book. It's a kind of book, gives a list of words. That is called the thesaurus. Thesaurus means that the book contains the list of words. Dictionary of idioms and the proverbs. What are idioms means? The expressions. And proverbs means the sayings. We know meaning of proverbs, right? Sayings. हिंदी में कहते हैं कहावतें. For example, like we always say, A stitch in time saves nine. Where there is a will, there is a way. So these are the different proverbs, right? So sometimes there are specifically dictionaries that gives us information of the proverbs and their meaning with the examples. Okay, understood the dictionaries? Next, comprehensive dictionary. Comprehensive means the broad, the huge, in detail. That is a Vishwakosh. There are two types of Vishwakosh. The first one is it includes all subject under the sun. What does it mean when we say something include under the sun? It means everything, each and everything, because we all are covered under the sunlight. ऐसी कोई जगह है जहाँ पे सनलाइट ना आ जाती हो? तो मतलब जितना भी चीज़ें हैं, चाहे वो लिविंग थिंग हो, नॉन लिविंग थिंग हो, अंडर वाटर हो, अर्थ सरफेस हो, माउंटेन्स हो, स्नो क्लैड्स रीजन हो, सो इट मीन्स each and every information will be present in that kind of encyclopedia. Like we have a Encyclopedia Britannica, Maharashtriya Dhyan Kosh, Marathi Vishwakosh, etc. These are the examples. There are so many. Another is it includes comprehensive information on one chosen topic. So another type is the detailed study of one particular topic. ओके, सो विश्वकोश में क्या होता है कि आपको थोड़े थोड़े इन्फॉर्मेशन हर एक चीज़ के मिल जाएंगे. एक ऐसे टाइप के भी होते हैं और एक ऐसे टाइप के होते हैं जहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट या टॉपिक होता है लेकिन उसके हर एक चीज़ के इन्फॉर्मेशन होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ यू टेक अ encyclopedia based on the Bollywood. We all know our Indian film industry, the Bollywood plays a very important role. They call it Hindi film industry. So Bollywood. आपने बॉलीवुड के ऊपर एक एनसाइक्लोपीडिया ले लिया तो आपको उसमें हर एक चीज़ डिटेल में मिलेगा. डिटेल मतलब एवरीथिंग. किसने शुरू किया, कब शुरू किया, कौन से मूवीज़ को कौन से अवार्ड मिले, क्या इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है, कौन से एक्टर का क्या अचीवमेंट है. सो एवरीथिंग. सो इट मीन्स दिस विश्वकोश, नेम इटसेल्फ इज विश्वकोश. व्हेन वी से विश्व, विश्व यू ऑल नो इट्स अ रिजल्ट टू द वर्ल्ड. सो इट गिव्स द प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, भारतीय संस्कृति कोश, व्यायाम ध्यान कोश, एक्सेट्रा. सो दीज आर दी बुक्स बेस्ड ऑन द डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स. Encyclopedic literature. The encyclopedic literature based on the different literature. As we all know, our country or our literature is so vast. We have information from the different culture, tradition, even the Puran and the Vedic information. It is similar to an encyclopedia which comprises scholarly articles providing information on all possible aspects of one or more predetermined subjects. For example, Maharashtra Jeevan Volume 1 and 2, Shahar Pune Volume 1 and 2, Yearbook, Manorama, Times of India, etc. So this kind of book provides as a complete information in a literature way. Indexes. As we all know, indexes play also very important role to get a proper information. Indexes usually occur at the end of a book. There are a few indexes published separately. Indexes are the alphabetical list of individuals, subjects, places, keywords, reference books, etc. So it gives us information about the places, from which place we get the information about the different objects or any monuments or the museums or the books. So in this way we can elaborate our study. For example, the index of Marathi periodicals prepared by S.G. Date. Indexes are helpful in finding required information and it makes the information in a book easily accessible. So we can easily get information from the different books or the different content with the help of indexes. Encyclopedia and history. When we talk about the encyclopedia and history, so encyclopedia plays a very important role in history because we get information from the past itself. Now, too many information are available in the past, and basis on that, we had seen the changes or the evolution happened in the different field. Encyclopedia and history are academic exercises put stress on objectivity Encyclopedias published in various countries and in various languages may differ in their approach because of their different priorities. So basically, encyclopedias are printed depend upon the priorities of that nation, of that culture, or the society, of or that may be the leader or the ruler. Their structure is influenced by national policies, ethical values and ideas. What the ethical means legal, which is legal. Their structure is influenced by the national policies, ethical values and ideals. So there should be certain kind of moral values, right? Because when you are working on any topic, so it's your responsibility to make it in a clear way, to write in a very genuine way. आपको पूरी सच्चाई रिप्रेजेंट करनी है. मे बी वो किसी के खिलाफ भी हो सकती है या वो कुछ गलत बताती हो, बट क्योंकि आपकी वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बीइंग अ हिस्टोरियन, बीइंग अ स्कॉलर, it's your responsibility to give a very clear idea. Encyclopedias can be a medium of strengthening national identity. Yes, with the help of encyclopedia, we should strengthen our nation's identity. For example, Bharatiya Sanskriti Kosh, edited by Mahadev Shastri Joshi, making knowledge in all spheres of life accessible to everybody, can be one of the major drives behind the creation of encyclopedia, right? So it is very much important. In this way, we are providing a proper information to the society with the help of encyclopedia. And inspiration to gain and spread knowledge motivates either individual or a group of people to create encyclopedia. So with the help of encyclopedia, we are providing the information that's provide the information on any particular group or any particular period. Like for example, we had seen so many encyclopedias are made on the Indian freedom struggle, that gives motivation, that gives information about the different revolutionaries or the different changes. Hence, encyclopedias are looked upon as outstanding achievement of a society. That's why encyclopedia is considered as the outstanding achievement of a society. It is the manifestation of the collective intellect and the creativity of the society. Manifestation means, you can say, the demonstration, the display of the particular work. For example, our country had made a tremendous achievement in the past, in the last few decades or in the centuries. Then it's our responsibility to manifest it in a proper way that world should come to know, or even the people of our country should come to know the achievements or the development that done in the past in the context of the changes with the help of the encyclopedia. So manifestation means, you can say, the demonstration or the display. Okay, clear how the encyclopedia is related with the history? Understood the concept? Very much clear?